friends, today we are going to see chapter 1 real numbers exercise 1.2 question number 2. Find the LCM and HCF of the following pairs of integers and verify that LCM into HCF is equal to product of the two numbers. So we have number 26 and 91. First, to find the LCM and HCF, we have to factorize each number and find the factors. Using factors, we can easily find the LCM and HCF. So see here, first factorize the 26. Here 2 into 13. 2 into 13 makes 26. Since 2 and 13 are prime numbers, we can't factorize further. So factors of 26 are 2 and 13. So we can write as 2 into 13. So next for 91. See here. For 91, 7 into 13 is 91. Since 7 and 13 are prime numbers, we can't factorize further. So we can write 91 as 7 into 13. So once we got the factors of the numbers, we can easily find the HCF and LCM. HCF is the smallest power of each common prime factor. See here we have to consider common prime factor. In these two numbers, 13 is the common prime factor. So the HCF of these two numbers is 13 and the power is 1. So the HCF is 13. And next is LCM. LCM is greatest power of each prime factor. Here in LCM we have to consider each prime factor. So here for 2 there is only one power. So 2 into 13 and next is here 7. So we have to consider each prime factor. So LCM is equal to 2 into 13 into 7. So when we multiply this, we get 182. So see in the question, once we found the LCM and HCF, verify that LCM into HCF is equal to product of the two numbers. So once we got the HCF and LCM, we have to verify that. So LCM into HCF is equal to, I'm just writing the product as A into B. So see here, the LCM is 182 into HCF is 13. And in this side, the two numbers are 26 and 91. So 26 into 91. When we multiply these two numbers, we get 2366. And in this side, when we multiply these numbers, we get 2366. So see here, they both are equal. Yeah, if these values are equal, the HCF and LCM we found are correct. Hence, verified. The next subdivision is 510 and 92. So let's factorize the numbers. When we take 510, 5 into 102 makes 510. And this 102 can be written as 2 into 51. And this 51 can be written as 3 into 17. See here, 3 and 17 are prime numbers. They cannot be factorized further. So the factors of 510, we can write 510 as, write in ascending order, 2 into 3 into 5 into 17. So next is 92. 2 into 46 makes 92. We can write this 46 as 2 into 23. So here 2 and 23 are prime numbers, so they cannot be factorized further. And 92 can be expressed as 2 into 23. Group the common primes, so we get 2 square into 23. Now HCF is equal to, we know that, smallest power of each common prime factor. So see here, the smallest, the common prime factor in these two numbers are 2. Only 2 is common, and we have to consider the smallest power. So here 2 power 1 is the smallest, so HCF is equal to 2, and LCM is equal to, LCM is the greatest power of each prime factor. So here when we consider 2 is common, and therefore we have to consider the greatest power. So we write 2 to the power 2, then 3. Though 3 is not common, we have to consider 3. And similarly 5 into 17 into 23. So when we multiply this, we get 2, 3, 4, 6, 0. Once we got the HCF and LCM, we have to verify the relation. LCM into HCF is equal to A into B. So see here, just substitute the values. 2, 3, 4, 6, 0 into 2. 510 into 92. When we multiply this, we get 46920, and here also 46920. See here, once the values are equal, we can say that the HCF and LCM we found are correct. Therefore, hence verified. The next subdivision is 336 and 54. So let's factorize the numbers. 336 by 2. 2 into 168 makes 336. And this 168 can be written as 2 into 84. And this 84 can be written as 3 into 28. This 28 can be written as 2 into 14. And this 14 can be written as 2 into 7. So here 2 and 7 are prime numbers. We can't factorize further. So this 336 can be expressed in prime factors, like write in ascending order. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. So just combine the common primes. So we get 2 to the power 4 into 3 into 7. Now factorize the number 54. When we factorize it, 3 into 18 makes 54. And this 18 can be written as 3 into 6. And this 6 can be written as 2 into 3. So here 54 can be expressed in the product of primes as 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So when we group the common primes, we get 2 into 3 cube. So HCF is equal to, we know that HCF is the smallest power of each common primes. Here 2 is common, and we have to consider the smallest power. So we consider 2 power 1 into, and 3 is common. Here when we consider the smallest power, it is 3 power 1. So 2 into 3 is equal to 6. HCF is 6. And LCM, see here we have to consider each prime factors. So here when we consider 2 is the factor of both the numbers. In this case we have to consider the greatest power, so we consider 2 power 4, and in 3 we'll be considering 3 cube into 7. So when we multiply this, 2 power 4 is 16. 16 into 3 cube is 27 into 7. So we get 3024. Now just substitute in the relation. LCM into HCF is equal to A into B. Here LCM is 3024 and HCF is 6. A and B are 336 and 54. So just multiply this, we get 18144. Here also 18144. If the values are equal, the HCF and LCM we found are correct. So we can conclude that hence verified. If you like this video, like it, share it and subscribe our channel. If you have any queries, you can just post in comment box. Thanks for watching.